Easy picking today. Watch for the ripe ones. These crates are filling up fast.
I'll bring these over.
Thanks. Put them right here.
All right, let's go. First stack.
Copy. Coming in.
Lift it up. Bring it to the truck. Forward. Keep it straight.
In position.
Set it down. Good. Truck entering gate 3. Clear the lane.
Copy. Moving to the dock. Forklift. Hold for the truck.
Holding position clear. Ready for the first pallet?
Yes, manifest is verified. Proceed.
Lifting now.
Pallet 1 clear. Moving to spot B.
I'll secure this stack.
Confirmed. Next pallet. Steady pour, let's fill it up.
All right, I had a handful.
Good. Let's get another scoop.
Check stage 2 temps. Holding steady at 28. Good. Adjusting airflow. Looks stable.
Ready for the dryer?
Yeah, let's go.
Careful, it's getting full. Airflow is steady. Beans are drying evenly.
I'll check the exhaust vents.
Good, keep the temperature consistent.
These beans feel right. Check for moisture. Dry enough. Flow rate looks steady.
Input is clear, no clogs.
Good. Monitor the vibration levels.
Will do. Looks optimal. Activating the air jets now.
Pressure stable. Watch the impurities.
Dust is extracting cleanly.
Confirmed. Yield looks good.
Flow looks steady at 1400. Confirmed. No blockages. Good. Keep monitoring.
Shells are lifting perfectly. Quality looks good. Flowing nicely.
Agreed. I'll log the weight. Pressure holding steady at 3.5 bar. Good. Flow rate is optimal at 220. Check the temperature. It's stable at 46 degrees. Fresh batch incoming. Levels are rising steadily. Copy that. Gauges are stable. No anomalies. Good. Keep monitoring. This is a large transfer. Steady flow, keep an eye on the scale.
It's rising smoothly up to 1260 now.
Good, that's the batch.
Confirmed. Hopper is ready.
Pouring milk powder now.
Copy that. Systems are stable.
Quantity confirmed. Next batch ready.
Pressure's holding steady.
Viscosity is optimal.
Confirmed, all clear.
Pressure is stable at 3,000 psi.
Good. The surface consistency looks uniform.
Agreed. Feed rate is optimal. Initiating sample collection from port 2C. Flow is steady, container is filling. Sample collected at valve closing. Viscosity is stabilizing at 12.4.
Confirmed, checking crystal formation.
Microscopy shows beta V crystals.
Vibration table is on. Watch the bubbles settle.
Settling nicely, no overflows. This mold is clear, perfect.
Good. Keep monitoring.
Conveyor speed looks good, cooling is stable.
Affirmative. I'll log the temperature now.
Let's check these. Right. Looking for any imperfections. This one is good. Alignment looks good.
Confirmed. Moving to print check.
Print quality is clear.
Good. Proceed to next roll.
Line speed is optimal, wrapping integrity looks good.
Agreed, seal quality is consistent. Let's check the next batch.
Synchronized perfectly, no delays.
Seal is tight on this one.
Good. Next one is aligned.
Speeds are perfect.
Print alignment looks good.
Seal is secure.
Next one.
Arm sequence is optimal. Confirmed. Pallet integrity is holding. Continue monitoring the stack height.
Scanning complete.
Label applied.
Next batch ready.
ILG2, check the top pallets.
Moving the dark chocolate pallets now.
Scanning. Looks good.
Clearing the path. Moving this load to dock 18. Roger that. Proceed. Hold at the bay. Watch the edge. Copy. Lowering now. Reverse into the truck. Confirmed. All clear. Coming in with the Kissies pallet. Clear. Guide him in. Bring it forward. Stop there. Pallet secured. Heading out. Next one ready.